Everyone, today we are going to discuss methods of preparation of phenol, that is carbolic acid. We are going to discuss carbolic acid right now. Now phenol can be prepared from several things, several methods of preparations can be explained, out of which very first from chlorobenzene. So starting from chlorobenzene, phenol can be prepared in two different ways. So first of all by the DOS process. So in DOS process what happens, when chlorobenzene is heated with NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, at about 623 Kelvin and 300 atmospheric pressure, then in very first step sodium phenoxide is obtained along with NaCl and H2O as a side product. Now we need to acidify this sodium phenoxide so obtained in first step. Thus sodium phenoxide is to be acidified by using dilute acid like HCl, and on acidification we may receive phenol as a product with the departure of NaCl. Thus phenol can be prepared by using DOS process. Now another alternative method is there, what we call Rastich's method. So Rastich's method or Rastich's process is also a method to prepare phenol starting from chlorobenzene. So right here what we need to do, chlorobenzene is needed to be heated with steam in presence of SiO2, or one can use Ca3PO4 by 2, that is calcium phosphate, at about 698 Kelvin. Now by doing this, chlorobenzene ultimately can be get converted into the phenol with the departure of HCl. So in this way chlorobenzene can be converted to phenol either by using DOS process or by using Rastich's process. So this is very first method of preparation. Now second method of preparation of phenol which can be explained is from cumin, that is isopropyl benzene. Remember, this is a commercial method of preparation of phenol. So cumin can be given as, this is a cumin which is popularly known as isopropyl benzene. This cumin is air oxidized in presence of cobalt naphthenate in alkaline medium, that is like Na2CO3, at about 423 Kelvin. So what happens, ultimately addition of oxygen to the site takes place, and this lead to the formation of cumin hydroperoxide, and we know very well peroxy linkage is weaker one. So this cumin hydroperoxide is decomposed by heating in presence of dilute H2SO4 to get phenol directly with the departure of acetone. So remember, acetone is also a valuable byproduct right here. In this way phenol can be prepared. Now very third method to prepare phenol is from benzene sulfonic acid. From benzene sulfonic acid. Now benzene sulfonic acid is obtained by sulfonation of benzene itself, which happens to be electrophilic substitution. So benzene sulfonic acid can be given as, this benzene sulfonic acid is to be treated with NaOH, and hence neutralization takes place, which lead to the formation of salt, and departure of water takes place. So salt so obtained can be given as, this salt is sodium benzene sulfonate. Now this sodium benzene sulfonate is to be fused with excess NaOH at about 573 Kelvin. So by doing this one can get the sodium phenoxide as a product with the departure of Na2SO3 and H2O also. These are the side products in this step. Now sodium phenoxide so obtained is to be acidified either by using HCl, or one can use H2SO4 also in order to acidify the sodium phenoxide. So upon acidification phenol is obtained along with the side product Na2SO4. So in this way benzene sulfonic acid can be converted to phenol. Now fourth and very important method is from aniline. So one can prepare phenol from aniline. So there involve diazotization in very first step. I mean aniline, which is aromatic primary amine, is to be treated with mixture of NaNO2 and HCl in cold. By doing this, diazotization takes place, which lead to the formation of benzene diazonium chloride along with NaCl and H2O as a side product. Now this benzene diazonium chloride so obtained in very first step is needed to be hydrolyzed by using dilute H2SO4. So upon hydrolysis, phenol is obtained directly along with N2 and HCl as a side product. Thus, these are some of the methods of preparation of phenol. Thank you very much.